So it has been raining something serious for the last couple of days, and so other than a misty fog, this has been probably the brightest, sunniest day. So I'm gonna go for a walk. Come with me. I'm starting to think that maybe all of that rain was the basically first rainfall of the spring. Not the seasons are changing. I have a garden, so I'm super excited to get back into gardening and planting my little seedlings and seeing what grows. Y'all, I got a cabbage. I know y'all like to call it cabbage, but I got a cabbage, and my cabbage then grew all the way through the winter because there wasn't no critters there to eat it up. Anyway, but it's a beautiful day, super warm. Let's keep going. That was a really nice walk. I love getting outside. I love going for walks. And honestly, whenever I don't feel like it, the Lord is very kind because He definitely said, go for a walk. And when the Lord says stuff, he has a habit of saying it like real strong. So you gotta listen. You gotta follow it. But I hope y'all enjoyed it. I don't know what else today is planned for today, but the fact that I sat here and got my tail out of bed and got under some sun and got some vitamin D up under my skin, honey, today was already a great day. So I hope y'all have a great day too. Oh, and regarding the garden, even though this is like something I literally planted last year, of course I really want to do something very, very special with the rest of my gardening. Everything is dead right now, but now that the spring rains have trickled on in, I'm really expecting some really great harvest. I learned a lot of lessons last year, and so make sure you subscribe to follow along to see how that goes. Stay posted, and I'm gonna stay posting. And okay, bye y'all. I feel very motivated to actually start replanting my garden this season. Last season, I think I did exceptionally well for my first time, but of course there is a lot of room for improvement. So I reckon I'll take y'all along for the journey. But first things first, I gotta uproot everything that died over the winter because in my naivety, I assumed that it was just gonna grow back. So I gotta do a lot of replanting. I gotta go get some new seeds. But first of all, I gotta gut the garden. Let's go. One of the beds are actually falling apart, so that's actually a good excuse to consolidate a lot of the good soil and put it into one of my better beds. My ultimate goal for this season is to plant foods that I actually eat often, so cabbage, spinach, kale, maybe cauliflower, maybe broccoli, especially tomatoes. I eat tomatoes pretty often. And I would love to continue like doing herbs, but I would rather do herbs in a different environment than putting them in these beds. Now, if I do basil again, then ultimately I would want them to be near the tomatoes just for the complementary effect of it. But I think I've yapped enough. I think I done told y'all everything I want to do. So let's do this. I've been prolonging it. Let's do it because I just worked so hard on the garden, but it's okay. It's okay. We're gonna work through this. I don't know what this is. Is this trauma? Do I need therapy? Everybody say hey to Kabaj.
Hey, Kabaj.
I know y'all saw him last time, but I don't know if he's grown any from the last time y'all saw him. It's just the circle of life, and it moves us all through despair and hope. See, like all this soil is still good. That was actually my problem last time. is that I didn't have enough soil to fill all 3 beds, because of course the more that the soil sat, the deeper that it got, the more that it kind of, matted down in the other beds. So I'm like, I'm really not mad at consolidating here and just getting rid of this 3rd bed, so I can just focus a lot of my energy on the other 2.
From the day we arrived on the planet and blinking step into the sun, there's more to be seen than could ever be seen, more to do than could ever be done. It's the circle of life, and it moves us all through despair. Faith and love, till we find our place on the path unwinding in the circle. It's the circle of life.
That's that tendonism. But I'm done now. I hope y'all enjoyed, and I hope I didn't, leave y'all hanging on the plot. This is what I've been doing all morning, and I guess I'll catch y'all in the next one. And as a matter of fact, leave some tips, please, on what I could do to, make my garden better this year, better than it was last year. So I appreciate that. Hey, I'll see y'all later.